We know that City Council meetings can be tedious, so we've boiled down the Farmington City Council's January 28th meeting into 5 things you need to know most. You're watching the Local News Network, brought to you by Home to Sweets and Boone's Family Thai Barbecue. I'm Sadie Smith. Farmington residents will soon contend with street construction for storm drainage repairs. The City Council awarded a $699,000 contract for storm drainage infrastructure repairs for Public Works to Sidecar, a family-owned construction company from Bloomfield, New Mexico. The project includes roadway and infrastructure repairs such as erosion control, asphalt removal, drainage maintenance, guardrail repairs, and grading. Tasks also include replacing asphalt, clearing debris, and improving sidewalks and drainage systems. The work will be spread throughout the city of Farmington. The council approved a bid for 69 kilovolt metering class current transformers, awarding the purchase to Western United Electric Supply as the lowest and best bidder at $34,000. Upgrading the city's electrical infrastructure will help ensure reliable power and reduce the risk of outages or system issues. And Council approved a third bid for pole mount and single-phase pad mount transformers, awarding the purchase to Border States Electric Supply for $746,000. Transformers help distribute electricity from power lines to homes and businesses. The purchase ensures the city can maintain and expand its power grid, supporting reliable electricity service for residents. According to the auditing firm of Patillo Brown & Hill, Farmington City Council is taking good care of your tax dollars. Council accepted the 2024 year-end audit from Patillo Brown & Hill. The audit reported no findings nor disagreements. The city also received the Government Finance Officers Association Certificate of Achievement for Excellence in Financial Reporting, an award it has earned for 30 consecutive years. The City Council approved a $40,000 grant for Utopia Studios located at 219 West Main Street to assist with renovations for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC systems. The funding from the Community Transformation and Economic Diversification Fund will transform the space into shared units for independent businesses, such as stylists, estheticians, massage therapists, and other salon-related businesses. The City of Farmington approved an update to its natural gas supply agreement with the New Mexico Municipal Energy Acquisition Authority. The authority, which includes Farmington, Los Alamos County, and the City of Las Cruces, issues revenue bonds to secure long-term prepaid supply of natural gas. Approximately every 5 years, the parties review the agreement to consider adjustments, such as modifying the delivery volumes or terms. The recent update gives Farmington the green light to pursue a potential discount on natural gas, helping secure savings for customers. Since 2009, these efforts have resulted in an estimated $17 million in savings. The meeting wrapped up with an acknowledgement of the Mayor's Choice Award winners for the 2024 Christmas Lights Contest. The award included a free family pass good for 1 day at Bistai Bay Water Park, admission for 2 to the City of Farmington Four Corners Musical Theater Company's 2025 season, and 1 round of golf and cart rental at Pinion Hills Golf Course. Winners were John and Tina Perez, Dawn Osborne, and Rebecca Mackey. Lastly, Jesse Whittaker of Kirtland, New Mexico was appointed to the Public Utility Commission for a 3-year term ending in October 2025. That's it for this wrap-up of the Farmington City Council meeting. Find more information about this and other stories at farmingtonlocal.news. Thank you for watching this edition of the Local News Network. I'm Sadie Smith.